With the Aircross 2, Moza introduced a powerful, lightweight gimbal, bringing seamless cinematic shots. It's time to refresh your cinematic motion with the new Alpine White Edition. With a 3.2 kilogram payload capacity and just 950 grams, the advanced built-in features will enroll your creative ideas like never before. Combined with the SlidePod E, you can extend your point of view for a better dynamic perspective. Moza Aircross 2 is capable of supporting most mirrorless and DSLR cameras on the market. With the L mounting bracket, you can easily switch to the vertical shooting mode. Get amazing scenery with the improved Inception mode 3.0 with automatic rotation, speed control, and angle mode. Defining a 3000 mAh high-capacity battery for up to 12 hours of shooting. The Moza Aircross 2 supports dual-focus motor system. With a switch of a button on the smart wheel, synchronize both zoom and focus, make easy Dolly zoom-like videos, and nail the perfect focus. With the additional 1/4 and 3/8 screw hole mounts, you are able to mount additional accessories and ease your shooting. Combine the linkage control function on the Moza Master app, seamlessly linking the Aircross 2 and SlidePod E for amazing robotic moves, time-lapse shots, and track recording motion. Mimic your smartphone motion with the Mimic control. Get a more precise gimbal movement. Switch from the Aircross 2 to the SlidePod E with the quick release pan tilt head. Three-axis lock design with a refined Alpine White touch and own USB-C charging interface. Moza Aircross 2 Alpine White. The new Moza family member.